Hello Washington EMS professionals. We at EMT-CE.com created this video just for you, to make the recertification process as straightforward and stress-free as possible. Our goal is to help you quickly understand what's required so you can renew your certification and get back to doing what matters most, serving your community. Let's get started. If you have specific questions about your unique recertification situation, we always recommend reaching out directly to your state EMS office. The contact information for the Washington Department of Public Health is shown here. Here's a quick overview of the maximum continuing education hours required for each provider level in Washington. For EMR, 15 hours. For EMT, 30 hours. AEMT, 60 hours. And Paramedic, 150 hours. Both the State of Washington and the NREMT accept CAPCE-accredited courses for renewal. Every course on EMT-CE.com is fully CAPCE-accredited and ranges from 1 to 3 hours in length. Washington has two routes to recertify. Route 1 is the ongoing training and evaluation program. Route 2 is the continuing medical education route. The hours listed here are the hours required for recertification by the CME route, also known as Route 2. Washington does not recognize recertification through the National Registry, but many providers choose to maintain both certifications. We will review the National Registry requirements after we discuss the state requirements. First, let's break down these two methods of recertification recognized by Washington State. Route 1, the Ongoing Training and Evaluation Program. The Ongoing Training and Evaluation Program is a program instituted and created by your medical program director that is competency-based and identifies areas in which training is needed. Due to the competency-based nature of the ongoing training and evaluation program, fewer hours may be required to complete the recertification requirements. If you recertify through this route, you will also need to show successful completion of skill requirements. Then there's Route 2, the Continuing Medical Education route. CME is the alternate route of recertification that requires the hours listed on the previous slide. If you recertify through this route, you will also need to complete a skills verification and department-approved knowledge exam. So which route do you choose? The answer depends on your agency/department's CE guidelines. Speak with your medical director or department chief to determine which route is best for you. Now, what if you want to renew your NREMT? Let's break down what renewing your national registry looks like. With the NREMT NCCP model for recertification, your required hours are divided into three distinct components, or buckets as we commonly refer to them. If you are just following the national component pathway to renew the state CE component, focus on the first or the national component. So let's talk about the national component. This is the largest portion of your recertification. To satisfy this section, you'll need to complete a minimum number of hours in each of the core topic areas listed here. Our F5 webinars meet this national component exactly. However, keep in mind, this category can be completed using F3, the self-paced, or F5, the virtual instructor-led courses, both of which are available on EMT-CE.com. The second bucket is the local or state component. The state of Washington does not currently require a specific course for this section. However, check with your agency. If they require any specific training or education topics, those should be included here. If your agency doesn't specify any required education, you can use the CE courses from our CAPCE-accredited CE course library to fulfill this section. The final bucket is the individual component. There is flexibility in this section so that you may select the courses that interest you most. The number of hours required here will also vary between provider levels. Once all three components are completed, you've met the continuing education requirements for NREMT recertification. Be sure to log into your account at washington.gov to complete your renewal and upload any necessary documentation. We know EMS recertification can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. At EMT-CE.com, we've helped tens of thousands of providers across the country recertify with ease. Here's how we make it easier. We are 100% online, offering self-paced or instructor-led courses. We have mobile-friendly access anytime, anywhere. We automatically track your progress toward all NCCP buckets, and certificates are ready for download the moment you finish, and we'll keep your records for future access at no additional cost, whether you're an actively paying customer or not. Ready to knock out your hours fast and hassle-free? Head over to emt-ce.com and get started today.